happen 9 to 5. Sometimes it might be 9 o'clock at night to 5 o'clock in the morning. Either way, you're going to have access to your attorney by simply tapping the emergency button on your app if you are ever stopped, detained, arrested. Child Protective Services comes to take your children from you, or maybe you're involved in a horrific accident and now you're being charged criminally. You're going to be able to have access to your attorney to help you navigate through that stressful situation as well. We also provide you with online notarization as well as e-signature. Now, 80% of why you need our services is inclusive with your membership. The other 20%, well, we're going to give you a 25% preferred member discount off of the provider law firm standard hourly rate. Now, you're probably wondering, well, Teresa, what kind of things would fall here? Well, what if it's something that happened before you signed up for the service? Will we help you? Yes. What if it is alcohol or drug related? Will we help you? Yes. What if it is a contested adoption, name change, annulment, separation, or divorce? Will we help you? The answer is yes. Here's what I need for you to take away from this. Our members will never have to pay full price to have access to legal representation when they need it.